there is 2 kilometers to the east here, or well, to the west it is. There's the south. There is a colony, or the biggest colony of seals in Latin America, in South America. 3 kilometers. I packed myself up, got my camera, my gear. Gonna go there and try to make some nice pictures. And I hope there's not too much parrots in the air. And maybe I can fly with my drone. I'm gonna see when I'm there. I don't want to fly the drone when there's parrots, because they are threatened by the drone and attack it, and yeah, don't want to disturb nature there. So yeah, here we go. Everything is packed up, almost good. I'm gonna close this bag here, and I'm off and ready to go. This is a rough road. Here I am, totally stacked up. I got some binoculars from the guys here, got my camera ready, got my big lens in the back, and it's about a kilometer walk along the coast here to this colony. And right now there is not a lot of wind, so I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it now, because later you won't understand me. It's, they told me it's the biggest colony as I thought, the biggest colony in South America. 8,000 animals there, and it's the sea lion that lives here. It got a little bit of fur and longer hair than the other ones, the sea wolf or the seal. And as I said, they have 8,000 of the sea lions, and they have about 6 of sea elephants constantly living here. But there is another colony of sea elephants a bit further down to the coast. So yeah, maybe I can spot one of them too. And let's see, they said it's not, yeah, you need a permission to fly with the drone if you want to fly the drone, and you have to be especially really careful, and yeah, and yada yada yada. No problem, as I said, yeah, just leave the drone in, all good. And yeah, that's about it. Yeah, well, and he walked just past by this colony, and you see him down there. And there is not really a view to the colony. Just to have a look from here, it's well, it's a lot of animals, and I'm gonna try to capture some pictures with the big lens. And yeah, I'm gonna show him to you now. See much more, because I saw myself bigger colonies than this what I see now down there. Maybe there is just around the corner in the next bay more of them, because I saw bigger colonies in New Zealand, I saw bigger colonies in California, and I can't believe this should be the biggest in South America. So I gotta ask the guys where they are. I went further down and looked down here in the bay, and there's more. Beautiful, still a bit underwhelmed. I had to talk to the guys and we cleared it up. It's because I had the impression that all the 8,000 animals are just on one spot. But right now is mating season, and the little ones are born, and this is when they spread out. And in winter time they're all more compact together. And now at the time when there's mating, the whole colony stretches for about 3 kilometers or something all along the coast. But it's still one colony. So cleared this up. Good to see, good to know. Because I was asking them, where are you hiding all the others? I just saw like a few hundred, and yeah, no, it's a different season. Well, there you go. Learn something new again. Don't try to be as smart as I am. Be humble and learn. This should have been the walls where the parrots nest. I don't see any. Huh. But the ride is cool.
Between two lines, where colors blend and silence reigns.
Better working. Oh, that's a shame. There is no parrots whatsoever at all. Oh, yeah, that's a shame. I just hear some. Don't know where they are. No parrot. Gonna turn around. I thought I would find some.
Obscures your thoughts, chasing around in all directions.
Este camino salir acá. Este de salir. Malo.